Yeah. So good morning.
Good morning.
So yeah, in the last videos, just I have given some introduction related to our course. Okay, like what is mean by core Java, and so what the things we are going to discuss in this. What is the fees of this particular batch, and when the actual class is going to start. What are the timings, sir? I want to mention again. This batch is not at 6:30. Okay, the classes will be started at 7 o'clock. So 7 to 8 o'clock, the classes will be there. Just for demo purpose, I am taking the sessions at 6:30. The problem here is already that batch is started. It is going on. That's why. So I have taken these classes at 6:30. From from Monday or Tuesday onwards, the class will be there at 7 o'clock, and these demos will be there only on these 4 days. Yesterday first demo I have taken, so today is the second demo. Tomorrow also we have the class at 6:30. Okay, so tomorrow also we are going to spend, and Monday also demo class will be there. From Tuesday 7 o'clock the class is going to start, and even we have discussed about the syllabus, and even what benefits we are going to cover with the help of this course also we discussed. And we started our first topic, like Java editions. Total how many editions are there in Java? Like we have three editions are there: Java standard edition, Java enterprise edition, Java micro edition. Like this we have three editions are there. So in the case of Java edition, what will happen? Standard edition. So what is mean by Java enterprise edition? What kind of applications we can develop in enterprise applications also we have seen. And what is mean by Java micro edition, how it is going to work also we discussed, sir. And coming to the history of Java. Okay, so who invented this Java? How this Java came? So what is the background? So when the first version has released into the market, everything we covered very clearly. And even total how many Java versions are available existed also we have given. So next, what is the official website? If I want to download Java software, from where we have to download? That part also very clearly I have given in the last video. Now in today's session, we will talk about softwares required to run Java application. Sir, I want to prepare a Java application in my mission and I want to execute. So for that, what softwares are required? The first software is nothing but we require a basic editor, a basic editor. Sir, like we have Notepad editor is there, or you can go with Notepad plus plus, or we can go with sir Edit plus, the editor which I am using now. So are you observing? I am typing the running notes. So where I am typing this running notes in the sense Edit plus. So like we have Sublime text is there, etc. Autumn. So like this we have n number of editors are there. N number of editors are there. You can install any one of the editor based on your requirement. Okay, of course I am going to explain the programs on Sublime text and then this Edit plus maximum. Then sir, next you have to install Java latest version also, because it is also very very important if you want to run the Java application. Okay, sir, not only editor, even you required Java latest version also. Sir, Java latest version in the sense what? As of now, the Java latest version is Java 18. You have to install this Java 18 in your mission. Okay, right. Sir, after that, compulsory you required command prompt. We required command prompt. Of course, no need to install this command prompt along with operating system. So along with operating system, it will come. Okay, so PowerShell, in other operating system, we will use the word called PowerShell. Sir, these softwares are sufficient. First three softwares are sufficient, but when we are going for advanced programming like multi-threading, collections, exception handling, okay, all these things, object-oriented programming. Sir, you may use some IDEs. You have to depend on some IDEs. Sir, what is mean by IDEs? Very simple, integrated development environment. So here we have some special softwares are there. Example, sir, we have IntelliJ idea is there. Okay. Next and after that, Eclipse IDE is there. Sir, NetBeans IDE is there. Okay. NetBeans IDE is there. Okay. Etc. We have n number of IDEs are there. What is the benefit of IDE? Sir, very simple. One simple application I will explain. Suppose if I am doing any program in IDE, auto suggestions will be there. Okay. Auto suggestions will be there. Then sir, auto correction also will be there. Okay. Then so n number of facilities we are going to get. Like suppose consider I have Prakash is there. Is it a string object or not? Yes. Within double quotations, if you are taking anything, then it is called as a string. So once if you have a string object, just you can able to call any method related to the string. So if once if you press a dot, that's all. Automatically these IDEs are going to detect it is a string object. Automatically these IDEs are going to detect it is a string object, and what are the functionalities are available existed on string object, it will display. Sir, like you can go with uppercase to uppercase function. Okay, you can convert this into lowercase. Sir, if you want, you can extract substring. Okay, like this, n number of functionalities will be there. All these things automatically it will suggest. So that what will happen based on our requirement, sir, which application I want, which application I mean which requirement is. So based on that we can select appropriate function. So these kind of auto suggestions will be there in the IDEs. But of course, so at very beginning, usage of this IDE is never recommended. Sir, what will happen? We will become very lazy, right? At very initial steps, sir, we should not use any IDs. First we have to practice with the help of our normal Java applications, that means by using normal normal editors. Then at finally we have to go with these IDs. Okay, so this is nothing but what are the softwares that are required to run our Java application. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this about these Java softwares?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Right, good. So now we will see at least no need to install this command prompt. By default, it will be available. Of course, editors we have to install separately. So we have all the free websites only you can download and you can install just like a normal application. But I want to explain, sir, how to install this Java latest software. Sir, installation of Java software. Sir, how to install this Java software? So very simple. Sir, I have already one video prepared for explaining the installation process of this Java. Okay. Sir, let me go with that one. Okay. So explanation of Java installation, Java 18 installation process. So just I have some video is there. Just I will play that video. You can able to watch. Just a second. Yeah. Of course, don't worry. We have IDs also. That part also we will discuss. Good evening, students. In today's session, I want to demonstrate. Yeah, please confirm how to his audio is coming. Java latest version.
Yes,
His
sir.
audio is coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So it is having maximum 7 minutes video. Just to try to watch again from the beginning. I will be on mute for this period. Good evening, students. In today's session, I want to demonstrate how to install Java latest version into our system. Okay. So first of all, we need to check whether Java is installed in our system or not. Sir, how to check whether Java is installed in our machine or not? Very simple, just to open command prompt. In this, you can type one command. So we know very well Java C is the command which is used to check, which is used to compile the Java program. First, we have to type Java C and press enter. Suppose if you are getting this error saying Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, okay, then make sure that your Java is not available, not installed in your mission. Now we have to install this Java software into our mission, sir. So if you want to install, we have to go to Google. Okay, first we have to open Google. Sir, in that Google, so just to go to Google and try to search for Java, sir. Okay, try to search for Java. You can find Oracle website is there. Have you observed here? Oracle.com. This is nothing but the website. Now you can see Java 18 and Java 17. Both are available now. Now I want to select Java 18. Sir, which operating system you have? So corresponding file you have to download. Make sure that my system is Windows supporting. That's why I am selecting Windows. In that we have multiple installers are there. But we will always recommend, sir, x64 installer where you can find exe file will be there. Sir, the total size of this software is 153 MB is there. Just click on that, automatically the download is going to be started. Okay, sir, we have to wait for few minutes, because once if the download completes, then only we can able to do that. Okay, so we have to wait for few seconds, sir. Please wait. So almost downloading has been completed. Yes, so directly you can click on this. So automatically what will happen, the installation is going to be started. Okay, or else you can go to that specific folder. Okay, so just to double click on that software, just to double click on that software. So automatically the installation is going to be started, sir. Okay, automatically the installation is going to be started. So it requires some time. Okay, it will ask for administrative permission, all these things. Once if you provide permission, then only the installation is going to be continued. Yes, I'm clicking yes. So now automatically the installation is going to be started. So again it requires some time, so just we have to wait. Okay, yeah. So whenever you are getting like this, welcome to the installation wizard of sir for Java standard edition development kit 18. Click on next. So it will ask for the folders. Let it be the default folder and click on next. So automatically the installation is going to be completed, nothing more than that. Okay, So updating component registration, everything is going to done automatically. Just we have to wait and see, that's all. Yeah, now you can able to see, sir, installation has been success. How to check this? Again, open the command prompt. So here I'm going to type the command called Java C. Sir, are you getting some commands or not? Yes. So previously, okay, so I'm shifting to D drive because I need to check a sample program. So previously, have you observed in the old versions of Java, sir, compulsory we have to set the path. But in the latest version from Java 16 onwards, no need to set the path. I'm going to run this program. So class test I'm taking. So I want to save this file in D drive, sir. I want to save this file in D drive. Let me take the file name as a test.java. Now I want to compile this program. How to compile? Java C, you can take test.java. Yes, successfully the code executed. Java space a test. Sir, even you can run the program by using so Java space sir file name dot Java. Okay, like this also you can do. So it will do both compilation and execution, sir. It is also the latest version of Java is going to support these things. This is nothing but how to install Java software into mission and how you can able to execute a simple Java program. And the Java which we installed is nothing but Java 18. The same step you have to use for upcoming Java versions or lower Java version like Java 17 also. Same thing, sir. Same thing you have to take. Okay. Yeah. This is nothing but how you can able to install Java software. Just a sample demo. Thank you, friends. Right. So I think now you got so an idea how you can able to install Java software into our mission. Okay. So right. Is the installation process is clear for you people? Please confirm.
It's clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Right. Very good. Yeah, some people are attending at the late. Okay, no issues. Okay, no issues because maybe you people are sleeping. Sir, don't worry. From Tuesday, this class will be there at 7 o'clock. Again, I am giving a gentle reminder. So it is not at 6:30. From Tuesday, our class will be there at 7 o'clock only. Right. Sir, let us continue. Sir, we have seen what are the softwares which are required to run Java application, and even we have seen the Java installation process also. Next, sir, everyone is going to talk about Java when they are developing a small application or big application. Like what advantages are there in Java? What Java features are there? Sir, let me talk about Java features, or some people may use the word called Java buzzwords. Java buzzwords. Sir, means what? Around some 12 features are there. Anyway, first I will list out these features. At least you can able to view the terminologies. Okay. Later, anyway, I will provide. Okay. Later, anyway, I will provide that particular description about these features. The first feature what we have is simple. Our Java is a very simple programming language because it extends the syntaxes from known languages like C and C++. So majority of the syntaxes of Java are extracted from C and C++. Then our Java is going to support object-oriented programming. So like in our terminology, our Java is going to support oops. So this is the main reason why almost so many applications are working under Java. Okay. So next and after that, sir, my Java is platform Sir, independent, platform independent. Platform independent means what? We can prepare. This principle is also called as ORA principle. That means what? Sir, we can prepare application in one system. We can prepare the application in one system. Like here, if I prepare the application, sir, we can run this application anywhere. Okay, sir, I prepared my application here. I want to run in multiple systems. Is it possible to execute this program in multiple systems? Means yes, happily we can do that. So consider this is nothing but my Java application. Okay, this is nothing but my Java application. Okay, sir, I prepared that application in one operating system. I prepared that application in one operating system. Consider, so my application was prepared in this mission. Okay, now this program, whatever we have, consider here the program title is test.java. Sir, can I execute this test.java application in my mission 1? Yes, happily we can run. Can I run it on mission 2? Yes, happily we can run. Can I run on mission 3? Yes, we can do that. This nature is called as, sir, platform independent, or I can use the word called, sir, Vora principle. Write once, run any number of times. Okay, sir, you can run in different operating systems also. Like maybe I developed my Java application in Windows operating system. Sir, is that application is going to run only on Windows mission? Means no, it is not going to run only on Windows mission. It is going to work on different operating systems also, no problem at all. This is nothing but what we have about, sir, this second or third feature, which is nothing but a platform independent. Okay, don't worry, we will discuss in detail about this on one Sunday. Okay, next, sir, architecture. Architecture neutral. That means what? Sir, you can develop any number of Java applications. The Java application which is executing on one mission will provide the same result on another version of Java also. So means what? If you change the Java version, or even if you change the any system configurations, that hardware configurations won't give any impact on the Java application. That concept is called as architecture neutral. And my Java is robust programming. Sir, robust nature in the sense, if any programming language supports the concept of exception handling and garbage collection, then sir, that programming language is called as robust. Sir, exception handling in the sense what? Runtime errors. So how my application is going to react for runtime errors is very, very important. At the same time, sir, I declared some variable. I allocated some memory for my object. But at the execution, after completion of the execution, I forgot to deallocate. Sir, then is that application is going to work? Yes, happily it is going to work. No one is going to verify about that. So automatically destruction is going to be happen. Destroy is going to be happen. That concept is called as garbage collection. Yes, my Java is going to provide support for both this feature. Such a type of language is robust. Next, my Java programs are portable. Portable in the sense what? Easy to move. Okay, easy to move. Sir, I can transfer my Java application from one system to another system without any change. And Java is highly secure. Sir, we have almost 2 to 3 security layers are there, which are provided support internally by Java. Okay, if internal support is there for this security, then more number of advantages we are going to get. So that's why Java is more secure. And Java is dynamic. Okay, sir, means what? In the execution only we are going to do n number of activities. Okay, dynamic. Static means first we have to do the activity, then we have to run. But dynamic means, sir, whatever data or whatever memory allocation or whatever variable declaration, everything you can do dynamically once if the program execution started. Then my Java applications are distributed. Distributed in the sense what? Just we can consider this example. This diagram itself is a best example for distributed technology. Sir, we are preparing system, we are preparing the program in one system. Okay, we are preparing in one system. Sir, we are distributing this application to multiple systems, right? So this concept is called as Java feature. Somewhere in our introduction, sir, when I am explaining this Java editions, there enterprise or distributed application we discussed. That means what? So with the help of this nature, we can transfer the programs from one place to another place. Okay, next, sir, it is multi-threaded. It is multi-threaded. Multi-threaded means what? Sir, happily more than one task. Okay, multitasking support will be there. So multitasking will be there at programming level. At programming level, sir, we can expect multitasking in operating system level, and even we can personally we are going to do multitasking, right? Sir, today I am going to meet one of my friend at morning 11 o'clock, sorry, morning 10 o'clock. Sir, when I am going to meet him, whatever activities are there, like if I want to bring anything to my house, or if I want to get any snacks, or if I want to get anything from outside, sir, everything I will do parallelly. That means what? Sir, minimum 30 minutes we are going to spend outside. So what are the things are there? Again and again, what is the need of going? Let us bring all these things, right? So this concept is called as multi-threading. Okay. Sir, Java programs, we will easily share one to another mission, right? So how it is secure? Uh, See, that's what the main agenda of applications, right? So once if you prepare the application, you can't keep only with you. You need to distribute that applications. So security in the sense what? No other malformed programs or no other injections are going to affect your Java program. Like in your Java program, you have given some variable like string username is equal to admin. So outside programs or outside environment tools can't be able to access that data. Okay, that is the main concept. Clear?
Okay. Clear, sir.
Yes. Right. So next, the next one, inheritance. Inheritance is the biggest advantage. Inheritance is the biggest advantage. What is the meaning of inheritance? So it is something like rewriting the code. Suppose if you have a class is there, of course it is an object oriented principles, so I don't want to give complete information about this. Just consider it is having 10 lines of code. 10 lines of code. Sir, I want to prepare class B. I want to prepare class B. In this, sir, I want to write 100 lines of code. Otherwise, better here I will take 100 lines. Sir, here I want to write 150 lines of code. I want to write 150 lines of code. That means what? In total, we have so 250 lines of code is there to execute this application. Sir, I can say this is nothing but one version. Just consider this is nothing but version 1. Sir, by using Java, what we can able to do is I can prepare another version of this program so that the total number of lines I can able to reduce. Sir, what is that? Very simple. Class B extends A. Like this we can take. With the help of this, if any common code is there, consider in class B, among these 150 lines of code, 100 lines, whatever I have written in the A class only I have taken. So something like real-time examples, if you take class loan will be there. Okay. Sir, class personal loan will be there. Sir, whatever content is there in loan, same things will be there. same documents. So everything is the same, but some extra attributes will be there because it is a personal loan. So rest of the things will be there in the class loan, right? Sir, extending this particular loan class into personal loan is the concept of inheritance. So that what advantage we will get if you use class B extends A, the data which is there in your class A, happily you can able to access in class B. So that how many lines of code you are going to write? That 100 lines repetition is not required to write. So in total, we are going to get 150 lines of code. This is called as advantage. This concept is called as inheritance. Of course, in detail with live examples, I will explain in our further concept because it is a completely theory. Minimum 1.5 hours we need to spend on this. Okay. So this concept is called as inheritance. And because of all these, we are going to get high performance. So Java programs are going to execute with high performance. So what is the reason? Sir, if I am declaring any variable, so after completion of that variable, automatically it is going to be destroyed. So what is the need of writing any code explicitly for that? Okay. Sir, automatically it is providing security. So distributed technology we have, like object oriented principles are there. Because of all this nature, programmer task is to implement only his requirement. That's all. So rest of the things will take care internally. So because of these natures, I can say my Java is going to provide high performance. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people, right? Do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, just theory part clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, requesting everyone to please respond. At least you can use chat window.
It's clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Right. Right, sir. So now the next topic. Okay. So the next topic, of course, we are entering into programming domain. Okay, we are entering into programming domain. Sir, what is that first topic? Sir, Java programming format. Okay, Java programming format. I want to talk about how my Java program is going to work. What is the format of my Java program? Sir, total there are 5 sections are there. The following, okay, the following are the main important. The following are the main important parts, or I can say sections of a Java program. Okay, like sir, section number 1. It is called as a comment section. It is called as a comment section. Okay. Second one is called as sir package section. Package section. Third one is called as import section. Import section. Fourth one is called as class or interface or enum or record section. Okay. Then, sir, fifth one is called as main class section. Sir, total how many parts are there? 5 parts are there. Okay, 5 parts are there. For example, consider, okay, for example, consider, sir, I want to prepare a simple Java program. Sir, no need to remember all these 5 phases. So when we are starting learning at very basics, so our main concentration should be only on main class section. Okay, so in object oriented programming, we are going to get all the remaining things. Okay, sir, I can say this one is nothing but optional. Okay, this one is nothing but optional. Sir, this one is also optional. Okay, so this one is also optional. Okay, this one is also optional. Sir, strictly speaking, this one is also optional. Okay, that means no need to write any Java program. but that's why just for programming purpose we can say this is nothing but mandatory. Sir, main class section, whether we are taking comments or whether we are taking packages or not, whether we are importing any required data or not, so are you defining any project related files or not, forget about that. Sir, main class is mandatory. Sir, why you are giving that much priority to main class? Because main class is the starting point of every Java program. Sir, every Java program is going to start from main method only. Sir, just for example, sir, I started my day life today, okay, exactly at 5 a.m. So I wake up, then sir 5 to 6 o'clock, just I'm going to do some kind of walking, or sir sometimes I may go for ground, but because of this batch I'm not going to ground, just half an hour walk will be there in my garden, okay. Sir, next and after that, at 6:30 a.m. At 6:30 a.m. Sir, just I need to finish my just face wash and brushing, and then I have to start the class. Then at 7:30, sir, I'm going to have my coffee. Okay. Then at 8:30, I have batch at 8 to 9. Sir, at 9 o'clock, I'm going to take my tiffin. Okay, and so on. This is the actual plan, okay. Sir, if I don't have this batch, of course this coffee everything will comes before 7 o'clock, but in these activities these are optional. Sir, if you want, sometimes you can wake up at 6:30, sir, immediately you can start taking the class, because no one is going to watch you, okay. Sir, no one is going to watch you, so that's why it is online mode, directly we can start the class. Sir, that means what? These are optional, but as of now, which is important point for me, sir, 6:30 a.m. class we should not miss, because as a student you can miss, you can refer that video tomorrow, but as a faculty I should not. So that's why these are some things are nothing but mandatory, compulsory we have to do. In the same way, in Java program we have n number of parts are there, but always my program execution starts with first batch. So that is nothing but I can say main class section. Main class section is starting point of every program. Okay, sir, what about this main class? Main class contains main method. That's all, nothing more than this. So every program execution is going to start from main method only. Sir, if you take C language, sir, something like integer main we are going to write. Do you remember or not? This is the style what we are going to follow even in C or C++. In both languages, same style will be there. If you want, just you can see I am preparing a C++ program. Sir, is the program execution starting from main or not? If you take Java program also, the program execution is going to start from main, irrespective of programming languages. So every programs are going to start from main method only. Like even the Java is having some syntax, so forget about that, just I'm going to talk about main method. Java program is also going to starts from main method only, but Java is highly secured programming language, right? That's why you may have n number of like what we can say security guards, all these things will be there for main method, like public, static, n number of things will be there. Here we are going to take a class test, because of this object oriented principles nature we are going to get these facilities. Sir, these facilities are not there in C or C++. Yes, because that programming language is not going to useful for project oriented approaches. Okay, so in this final conclusion is nothing but main class is very important if you want to run any basic Java application. Sir, I want to start my Java program, basic program I want to prepare. Yes, compulsory you must have main class section, because the program execution always starts from main section. Okay, remember carefully. Sir, how to prepare that main? What is the syntax of that main? That part we will take care one by one. Okay, sir, I hope the concept is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts about this main, I mean, these parts of the Java program? Please confirm. Clear, right?
No, sir. My side clear.
Sir,
Right.
sir, I'm having one small doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, first you have to write main method or class method.
Yeah, main method itself should be placed inside a class.
Okay.
So if you want to write a main method directly, we should not write. Compulsory, we have to take a test class and then we have to write. Something like I can say Java is pure object oriented. This class concept is a concept of object oriented. Without object oriented principles, you can't prepare a simple application also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Soon
Okay.
you are going to get the complete info about this class, all these things.
Okay, sir.
Right. Sir, okay, I understood what programming format is there. Total 5 parts are there. In this, as of now, we are discussing main class section. So main class section is the place where we have to write our main program. So the program execution is going to start from this place. So I understood up to this. Now, sir, I want to go for my first Java application. Sir, steps to prepare. Okay. Sir, we have to write some steps. Okay. Sir, let us give the global idea. Steps to prepare Java application. Sir, if I want to prepare any Java program, basic program to advanced program, what steps are there? Sir, first step, we have to edit or we have to type the Java program. Okay, we have to select any editor or we have to type the program. Sir, as of now, I'm going to take Notepad. Okay, sir, this is one of the editor, a place where we can type the program. Okay, my editor is existed. So what is the second program? Sir, save the program in any location. Sir, you can able to save the program in any location, but make sure when you are saving the program, sir, the extension, okay, sir, save the program in any location. Sir, the extension of a Java program, the extension of a Java program must be .java. Sir, you can use any extension, but a compulsory, sir, any file name, but compulsory, it should be saved with extension .java. Compulsory, you have to take .java. Sir, you can take anything, any name you can take, but compulsory, you have to save with .java. Example, sir, I have test.class is there. Sorry, test.java is there. So demo.java is there. Sir, something like product.java is there. Sir, employee.java is there. Okay. Sir, online examination.java is there, etc. Like this, we can prepare any file name, sir. Any file name you can take, but at last we have to save with .java. Okay. Then, sir, better to type the program. I will type my first program. So class test we have to take. Okay. Then, sir, I'm going to take public void, sorry, public static void main within bracket string array args. All these things I will explain one by one, word by word. I will explain. Don't worry. So within this, sir, if I want to print a message in C language, we will use printf. In C language, we will use printf. In C++, we are going to use cout. So in Java, we are going to use system.out.println of. So welcome. But as of now, we are concentrating in Java. Let's remove this. So how to print a message on the screen? System.out.println is the message which you can able to use to print a message on the screen. Sir, what is the message here? Welcome is the message. that welcome will be displayed on the screen, sir. That welcome will be displayed on the screen. Okay, right. Okay, right. No problem at all. Okay. Now, sir, we can save this file. We can save this file. Sir, where I am going to save? You can save in any location. In any location. Let us take, sir, I want to save it in D drive, sorry, in C drive. In C drive, separately, I created one folder with name Prakash classes. There I want to take the file. Sir, what file name I need to take? Sir, it is always recommended whatever class name you have taken, consider the same name to save the file also. Consider the same name. So I'm taking test.java. This is nothing but my program. So click on save. Yes, it is telling already this file got existed. Do you want to replace that old file with this new file? Yes. So this is my Java program. This is my Java program. Example, sir, this is nothing but my Java program. Sir, okay, my Java program is ready. Why we are going to prepare the Java program? To check whether it is working properly or not. So what will be the next step? Sir, we have to open command prompt. We have to open command prompt and move to the location. So where we have saved our file. Sir, where we have saved our file, we have to move to that location. Okay. Sir, for that we are going to use some basic commands. What is that command? CD backslash we can use, sir, to move to, okay, to come out from, okay, to come out from all directories. Okay. Sir, then CD space directory name you can use. Sir, to move to, so a specified folder. Okay, that's all. These commands we have to use. Sir, now first let me open the command prompt. Let us open the command prompt. Sir, you can see already I have given pin mark here. Just we have to click on this. Sir, it will be opened. From here, where the particular file is available in C drive Prakash classes. But where this particular command prompt is existed in users folder red Prakash, some folder is there. Sir, try to give CD backslash. It will come out from all the folders. Then CD space, in which folder we have saved the file? Prakash classes. Type the Prakash classes folder name. That's all. It will enter into this particular file, sir. Now, after this, what we have to do? Sir, compile Java program. Compile the Java program. Okay. Sir, by using the command. Sir, what command we have to use? Java C space file name dot Java. This is the syntax what we have. Sir, we have to compile the Java program by using which command? Java C space file name dot Java. Sir, whatever file name we have given, test.java. Just Java C space test.java I am taking. Sir, is the command is going to work or not? Yes, definitely. Once if you install Java software, then only this command is going to work. Otherwise, this command won't work, sir. Okay. Now you can able to see it came back to the original position. It came back to the original position. Like this we have. Right. Excellent. What is the next step? I need to see the output. Okay. So we can run the Java program. We can run the Java program. Okay. By using the command. We can run the Java program by using the command called Java space. So class name. Java space class name. Sir, what class name you have taken? Sir, test only. Yes. So what output we got? Welcome. Sir, is it the message that we have taken there? Yes. So this is the way how you can able to check your Java program, how you can able to run your Java program. Sir, I will take one more program for you to better understand. Okay. Let me take example number 2. Now I don't want to execute the program in this command prompt. Okay, sir, I don't want to execute the program in this command prompt. I have one separate special editor is there, like Sublime Text. Here I want to do the program. Yes, no problem. First, I will save the file. Sir, where we have to save the file? In C drive, in Prakash classes. I am going to save the file as a, for example, consider. So I am going to take INDIA, India.java, India.java. Like this, I am going to take. So here you have to mention at the bottom, sir, what type of file it is. Okay, now save the file. Sir, now we have to take a class. What class name you have to take? India. Okay, now what is a signature? Public static void main. So within bracket a string array args, where we have to take capital letters, where we have to take small letters. All these things you will get it soon. Don't worry at all. So system dot out dot println of, sir, I want to print the message saying welcome again. Like this, I have a program. So save this file. Yes, my program got saved. Sir, how to compile this file? Sir, Java C, what file name we have given? India.java. Yes, perfect. Sir, how to run Java space India? Sir, is the message came or not? But in which editor we have typed the program? In the Sublime Text. This is one of the editor. Sir, by using this, we can able to prepare your Java application. Sir, okay, fine. Can you show me by using this edit plus? Because you are always recommending from day one. Yes, we can use this edit plus also. Sir, I'm going to select file new. Here itself we have Java. Okay, sir, our task will become very easy. Once if you select Java, sir, have you observed automatically the default skeleton came or not? Yes. So no need to type anything. Just you have to write your business code. Sir, assume here I'm going to give my file name as a demo. Okay, sir, here I want to print, sir, welcome again and again. Like this, I want to print some message. Sir, save this file. What class name we have given? Demo. Sir, same name try to take. So demo.java I am taking. Sir, how to compile the program? Java C space file name is demo.java. Sir, Java space. So I have to provide a demo. Sir, is the output came or not? Yes. This is the another way by using edit plus how you can able to do the program. Okay. Sir, if these things are clear for you people, I will take one more small application which is very, very important, and I will skip this class. Right. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this, sir? Everyone have to respond, because we have seen the basic steps to prepare a Java application. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm, everyone.
Clear, sir.
Yes, clear.
Right, right. Next, sir, there is one small loophole is there. Okay, I will take example number 4. I will cover that loophole. Sir, what is that loophole is? Sir, consider I'm going to save, I'm going to create a Java program. Like, what is the class name I'm going to take is, sir, I'm taking Balakrishna. I think while typing, you are getting, sir, some new things. Like whenever I'm taking the class names, first name is capital, next word first name is also capital. These are called as naming conventions. In my further applications, I will display. Just consider the message is hello world itself, but while saving the program, I'm saving the file as, sir, Venkatesh.java. Okay, remember this point very well. So remember very carefully, sir, file name is different. What file name I have taken? Sir, Venkatesh.java. Sir, class name is different. What class name I have given? Sir, Balakrishna. Like this. Sir, when you are compiling the Java program, we will take Java C space file name dot Java. But while executing, we are taking Java space class name. Remember this syntax. Sir, now my program is ready. My program is ready. Now, sir, I want to compile this program. I want to compile this program. How to compile the program? Java C. So consider the file name is venkatesh.java. Sir, the file compiled successfully. Now I am trying to run by using this Venkatesh only. Sir, what will happen? Is the program is going to work out? Definitely no. Because, sir, error. Could not find or load main class. Somewhere I used right main class. Sir, Venkatesh. The name Venkatesh is not existed. Okay. So this class I am trying to search, but unfortunately that class is not available. Like this we are getting. Yes, beautiful. Then how you can able to run? Sir, it is Balakrishna. Then is it going to work? Yes. Sir, can I compile this program by using this Balakrishna? No. Sir, what error message we will get? Sir, we are going to get a file not found. Observe the differences. Sir, once if you run with mistakes, you can able to learn 70% of any coding, not only Java. So once if you understood what kind of error we are getting, from that you can get more stuff, sir. This is very very important. Okay, I think this concept whatever I explained, it is very clearly injected into your mind. That's why a small note I am going to cover, sir, to avoid conflicts. Okay, sir, to avoid conflicts, so it is better to take better to take both class name and file name as the same, so that it will be benefited for the user. So that's why in the main method syntax, 1 minute, I have one diagram is there. Anyway, tomorrow I will explain this diagram, but just observe one point. Sir, have you seen here? I have given 2 points. If you observe, I have mentioned 2 points here. What is the first point? Sir, to compile the program, Java C space test.java you can use. To run the program, Java space test we can use, which is recommended. Sir, to compile the program, Java C space Prakash.java, because my file name is Prakash, and Java space test because my class name is a test. This is never recommended approach. This one is always recommended. Sir, can't we run the program in this style? Yes, we can do. But rarely we have to use these type of things at learning stage. Okay. But once if you coming to the implementation, whatever class name you have taken, the same class name you have to save with file. Sir, inside Java program, you are telling somewhere like inheritance. So if you take a single program, in this program, two classes are there. Which class name you have to consider as a file name? Sir, the class which contains main method. The class which contains main method, you have to save with that class name. Maybe in your Java program, you may have 100 classes also. But in that 100 classes, try to identify the class which contains main method. So take that class name as a file name, so that during execution, that class, if you want to execute, we will take that name, and that class is going to maintain the remaining class information. Like remaining 99 classes will be under the control of main class. That's why main class section is the mandatory part. This is the things what we are going to learn in our complete fundamentals. Okay, main class section is the main agenda. Okay, sir, I think Java programming format Okay, and what are the steps that you have to follow to create a first Java application? It is very clear for you people, right? Sir, any doubts up to this, please confirm.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, very good. Yeah. So this is nothing but what we have in today's class. So tomorrow also we have the class, okay, as usual at 6:30. So same link you have to use tomorrow also, a demo session, okay.